Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know that after NFP and CPI, DXY is in crazy downfall. DXY has hit the double digit and right now standing at 99.95. This is the last traded price. As discussed on Friday that DXY may try to recover, and yes, this is just a temporary recovery from DXY. Market opening will be important right after the market opening. If the recovery on DXY continues, do not consider it as a trend reversal. To reverse the trend of DXY, we need a fundamental factor. We need a news and we don't have yet. As a result, this will just be a temporary recovery. Once market will hit 100.50 mark or 100.80 mark, things will be a little bit difficult or very difficult for DXY again, because we have sellers sitting around these areas. Already we know it very well, we can see it very well that this market is under the dominance of sellers. Sellers are dominating this market. So here we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level and around 100.80. This was the previous strong support that will be acting as the new resistance for the market. 100.80 was the last support on DXY, and obviously the same support will be creating problem right now as resistance. So if DXY tries to recover also, things will not be very positive and market will show some reversal. If market reverses, you can plan your trades accordingly. And in case the downside continues, then obviously we know how to deal with it. So let's talk about euro dollar right now. And as I have already said in my earlier video, that the number of trading opportunities are very less right now on euro USD. Fundamentals are pushing euro USD towards the upside. As a result, you should be looking for buy positions only, either at breakout or at retracement. Obviously, buying at retracement is the best and safe trading strategy. But just like gold, during the last trading hours, euro USD was also stuck inside a range. And after this kind of up move, obviously market going for rest is not a big thing here. And as a result, you need to observe the market carefully on Monday. After the market opening on Monday, if you see that euro dollar is going down, your first level will be 1.1200 to 1.1205. This will be the first level where you need to observe the market, because we have here the 50 moving average, which will be working as the dynamic support. Along with that, we also have previous price rejection around this area. So we also have a minor, I won't call this as a very strong support, but yes, in this uptrend market, this minor support is also big enough. So if market takes support around this area and bounces, we can definitely hit the buy button, because this is the first support. And in case market surprises us, keep in mind, market may also surprise. Usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half. That's why we are expecting that in case market shows downside also, 1.1200, 1.1205 will be working as support. But in case market surprises us, gives us a shock by showing a big red candle right after the market opening, because anything may happen during the weekend, any news may come up, isn't it? So if the volatility of the market is high, in that case, do not look for support around these areas, because as a trader, you need to understand that not all levels have the equal amount of strength. Volatility of the market, or understanding the volatility of the market, is a very crucial factor. If the market is volatile, market is dominated by sellers, or if you see a big red candle, then your focus should be on 1.1150. 1.1150 is a better level, a stronger level in comparison to this. Why? Because we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this area, and the previous resistance will also be working as support here. My dear friends, we have two levels on euro dollar. If euro US shows downside, or red candles. I won't call it downside. Downside is a big word. Okay, so 1.1200 or around 1.1200 we have the first support if the volatility of the market is low. In case market surprises us with big volatility, in that case we need to focus on 1.1150. 1.1150 is obviously a better level in comparison to this, but as the euro dollar is very adamant for the last couple of days, okay, and not coming down for proper retracement, that's why we are also keeping our eyes here, or we are keeping our options open. On the other hand, my dear friends, if euro USD decides to continue the upside, it will have to cross 1.1250, which is the temporary resistance for the market right now. Okay, I won't call this as a resistance here, but yes, to continue the upside, euro USD needs to break this level on Monday or by Tuesday. If you see that euro USD is going up again, dollar is falling, hit the buy button above 1.1250. Yes, as I said, okay, the volatility of the market should be good. If you see that the size of the candle is like this, it means that market is being supported by volume. Traders are participating, and it gives you an additional confidence. But if you see that euro USD is breaking 1.1250, but the candles are not very convincing, in that case be careful, because it may lead to a false breakout as well. And for additional confirmation, you can look at a chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is falling at the same time, it will give you the confirmation that yes, the trade is going to be right. Anyways, whatever you do, follow proper risk management always, because see, this is market. Okay, anything may happen, but as a trader, it is very important for us to control our loss. Okay, loss is the only thing a trader can control. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. So just a quick recap, my dear friends, after this long uptrend market, euro USD is stuck in a narrow range right now. As a result, we are waiting for proper levels. First of all, if the market comes down on Monday, and if the volatility of the market is low, we can expect 1.1200 or around that level. We can expect the market to take support because of previous support around this area, as well as the 50 moving average. If market bounces, we can go for a buy. If market surprises us with a big volume, big red candle, obviously this will not work. In that case, we will try to go for a buy around 1.1150. These are the two levels where we are looking for buy at retracement. As market is stuck inside a range, euro dollar needs to break 1.1250 to continue the upside. And if we see that euro dollar is breaking 1.1250 and going up, we will be looking for a buy as well. Buy at breakout or buy at retracement. And this is the 15-minute chart. If you're a scalper, you are in madly love with euro USD, then you can also look for buy around this area. 1.1200 only. Okay, so be careful, enjoy the weekend, have fun, spend some quality time with your friends and family. Bye bye, take care, see you out Monday.